Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick wash and go. But before we start, if you're new here and you have not seen me before, please hit that red subscribe button down below and hit the notifications bell beside it. That way you'll be notified every single time that Kayla's Curls uploads here on YouTube. So let's get right into it. I did wash and condition my hair probably about 2.5 hours ago. So my hair is like 95% dry, which is fine with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a wash and go. I am gonna be wearing a bandana today because I do have a collab video, which you guys probably have already seen, but I'm gonna be wearing a bandana. I will be using my Gelee by Dippity-Do Girls with Curls, and of course my Eco Styler gel. And this is the Argan oil one. If you guys have seen or if you're familiar with my wash and goes, I always like to work on freshly washed hair for my wash and goes. I honestly like when my hair is fresh and clean. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying my Gelee. And then after with the Gelee, I go in with the Eco Styler gel, okay? And that's what that looks like. So I do have a wide tooth comb. I'm just gonna like use that to comb through. Okay, so that's how the curls are looking. All right. Put a little bit more on my ends. And you can see the difference in definition. There's definitely more definition over here opposed to this side. More fluffy and voluminous. So same thing, Gelee, then Eco Styler. Okay, so like I said, the style that I'm going for, I'm going to be wearing the bandana. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this smoothing brush and some Eco Styler gel just to smooth this front portion, almost like so here, just towards behind my ear. And same thing to this side, except I might put a little bit of a, okay, just like that. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm just putting my hair in the back like that, so it's not in my face. Now I'm gonna take this bandana and I'm gonna roll it up like this. Okay, and this is gonna go towards the back. So put it behind. Front. Make sure everything is behind the bandana because you don't want your hair to get caught. It's not fun. It's not, it really is. Okay. And then I just take it and tie it right here on top. so. And then like that. And there we go. We have our bandana wash and go. And yeah, like for the video I'm doing, I kind of wanted like a kind of a wet look. So I'm just fixing my edges a little bit. This is pretty much it. Like I said, I'm kind of going for the wet look, which you guys probably will have already seen the video I'm doing today. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching this Kayla's Curls video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, leave a kind and sweet comment down in the comment section, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button on your way out alongside the notifications bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload here on YouTube. So until the next time, I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, bye guys.